Hey guys, what's up? It's Boosted Rider. So I just wanted to show real quick, I rebuilt this whole bike, the CBR 600. But every time I turn around, there's something else. Like there was it looked like a piece of thin copper, almost, was in this right here. And I put silicone on it. Actually injected the harness with silicone, just to. I thought maybe some of the wires might have been unsheathed, so like they were exposed. So like I injected it with some silicone, and then I went to start it up after I did the repairs again, or after I did this, and it just nothing, no starter, no nothing. So like apparently one of those wires got split in half. I don't really understand how. Well, I guess something must have shot up in the wheel well and stabbed into the harness. I really don't know. Um, Anyways, so I wiggled the harness around, like went like this and just wiggled around. I knew that was the problem, and it started. So it's just crazy. Sick of this stuff. All right, guys. Later.